Yung kilay ko wala ba? Tignan mo, walang kilay. Oh, tignan mo. Hi guys! So for the vlog tayo ang mga person. So yan po ang dalawang abay sa likod. Chandler and Ate Angelique and Kuya RJ. And me. Nakatingin sila sa atin, parang nakakatakot.
Dead mo sa inyo kami naka-aircon. Sorry. Sama na ulit. Wala na, isipin na ni Chandler masama ugali nito. Totoo naman. Masama ugali, totoo naman. Hindi ko tinatanggi. Mag-make-up sarili niya. Oh, ito na yung ticket.
Oo, sige. Wala-wala ko kayo. Ganun yan.
Ayun na pala sa Ate Charlie, nasa loob.
Loko kayo. Bilang laki ng braso ko. Saglit, sige. Lagi na lang nag-a-adjust yun.
Parang hindi na kaya ng camera ko yun. Parang mga akong pastor dito.
Nila ano to? Resort? Parang naging resort eh, walang
Sabi nila dati dyan mismo na. Kasi namunti pa.
Seryoso naman ang napaka-seryoso. Darating, may darating.
Yun, yung kapit pa. Pucha baka sa kabila naman pala. May Adrian. May pumupunta. Ay, ko yung fireworks agad dito.
Magang bago tayo.
Ayun na pala siya eh. Yung makeup artist. Bakit lumot ako yan ng ano? Tatakpa ko lang lang. Isa pa, yung may plema. Go.
Ano na?
Okay, I'll go lang. Saan na magtakip ka? Wala ka takip.
Ay, sila! Sino ba
Bakla hindi sila yun.
Sila yan.
Sila yun.
Maghay ka nga, Chandler. Gagabawal pa sila makita.
Ay, gano'n?
Oo.
True!
Ganon. Ay, lang.
Ito promotion.
Magay na kayo.
Nakabihis na ako. Ate siya. Sa vlog to, kuya.
Kayo ng channel?
Akin po.
Welcome to the vlog! Vlog-vlogan na!
Pretty little baby. Pretty little baby.
Sumisilip sila dito. Sumisilip sila dito. Hindi din na makita.
Captures our love. Like the whole world is blessing us now. In a white dress, dancing so free. You and me, our wedding memories. Standing. to Allah, will love you eternity.
I'm gonna hold your precious hand. Let your parents tell my love, telling everyone I will marry you. Will you please accept my hand? I'm gonna marry you today. Inshallah, you will let me know my love for you is true.
Thank you to our mom and dad. They let our destinies unite. They make it easier for us to fulfill
The promises we've made.
Place the ring on your bride's finger. Please repeat after me. In sickness and in health, for rich or for poor, in joy and sorrow, do you promise to be my lawfully,
Do you promise to be my lawful,
for richer or for poorer,
richer,
in joy and sorrow,
in joy and sorrow?
now says Venezuela. Congratulations. Chariel, so you may now kiss your bride.
Look into my eyes, look into my eyes. Doesn't matter if they're blue, green, brown, they flash like fire. Colors of the earth, colors of the earth. Take your flight and stick it where you like. I'm reaching higher. Oh, darling, and if you think the planet's grip can hold me back,
Alam naman natin sa buhay na may kanya-kanya tayo maghihirap. Tama. Pero kailangan natin nawalan. Hindi natin kailangan sa mga masama-sama makasali sa ating Panginoon.
right now, no way that I'm ever coming down. I'm on my way to leave the atmosphere. It's all coming clear. Say your au revoir, baby. I was made for the stars.
Parang nagbubumba siya.
you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance with me. My discotheque, Juliet, teenage dream. I felt it in my chest as she looked at me. I knew we were bound to be together, bound to be together.
If you're not guilty na mag-check-in na sa Sobo, para si Angela kasama ka daw. Doon tayo lang yun. 1 to 10, gaano ka kalibog? So, ang unang nagkagusto, ikaw o si Cheryl? Ang kanilang uniko ibo. Ang
The world keeps spinning fast. The seasons quickly change. Sometimes the present feels confusing and strange. But when the light gets dim and the quiet starts to fall, I close my eyes.
Below zero and hide from the sun. I love you forever. We'll have some fun. Just let's hit the North Pole and live happily. Please don't cry no tears.
I will describe itong dahil nakinig ka sa akin, nakinig ka kay Cheryl. So sa gabing ito, lahat ng mga tao dito saksi sa iyong pagsasamahan.
Parents namin. Ito yung natatandaan ko. Ginawa ng tatay namin. Kasi that time, yung tatay namin is strict na talaga. Si Mark, late na umuwi. Iniman 3 days. Alam niyo ba, late siya. Ngayon yung tatay namin galit. Tinalo siya. Tinalo. May paano yan eh. Ngayon, pinalo. Nagtataka si tatay. Bakit hindi siya umiiyak? Tumatawa siya.
situation. Girlfriend was hot.